Mr. Muturi is a kitchen worker who earns a basic salary of Kenya shilling 23,400. He is given a schoolhouse for which he pays a nominal rent of Kenya shillings 1,500. Mr. Muturi is entitled to a personal relief of Kenya shillings 1,162, and he is given a medical allowances of Kenya shillings 3,200. Question A, which contains 3 marks, is calculate his taxable income. So once you have seen nominal rent, now that's why I started by giving you the tips when somebody is given a nominal rent. Whenever you have seen a nominal rent, then you must know that taxable income, will be equal to a basic salary plus 15% of basic salary, which is times basic salary, plus allowances, subtract what? Nominal rent. Subtract nominal rent. Nominal rent. So that's what we have said. We have the basic salary of 23,000. So instead of doing it separately, now we can do it as a unit, as in 115 divided by 1,100 times basic salary plus allowances. That's now you combine it, allowances, and then subtract what? Nominal rent. Nominal rent. So that's what we are going to do. Now 15%. 115 over 100 times the basic salary, which is 23,400. So that is the basic salary. Then plus allowances. The allowance that this person was given is there. He was given allowances of 3,200. So we add 3,200. After that, whatever we will have here, we will subtract the nominal rent, which is 1,500. So this one times this, we will find that it is 20. So this times this, we will have 26, 9, 10, and then plus 32. Subtract 1,500. And this one will give us Kenya shillings 28,610. So the basic or the taxable income for this man Muturi, who is a kitchen worker, will be 28,610. Now we are going to next to the question B. Part B of the question. Calculate his net tax per month using the table below. First, I want you to understand that net tax is also called pay. Pay as you earn. Net tax. For you to get net tax, calculate is net. For you to get net tax, you must have gross tax first, and then subtract relief, and then finally get the net tax. Remember, our taxable income is Kenya shillings 28,610. So we start by using the first band, because we know now our amount of money, taxable income, is more than 10,000. So we will start in the first band. So we will start here. So any Kenya shillings from 1 up to 9,680, it is paid 10%. So we write that 9,680 times 10 over 100, because 10% means simply means, so then you do the cancelling and we will have our tax, with the tax will be 968. So we move from here to the next slab. So for you to get the rate for the next one, you subtract 18,800 subtract 9680, and that one will give us 9120. So the next band or slab, we are going to use 9,120 times 15 over 100, and this one will give us 1368. 1368. So remember, this our taxable income is 28,000. So if you add this plus this, they have not added up to our amount, so we continue. So the next slab for a band, that is 27,920 subtract 18,800. So that one will give us 9120 times the next band, which is 20 times 20 over 100. This one, it will give us 1824. So you must ensure that as you move down, you are ensuring that the total here should not go beyond our taxable income. That's what we must consider. Therefore, when you add this and this, the total will be 27,920. Because if you we are here, if you move to the next slab, you will go beyond the amount that we had. All right. I said that now what you do, add as you continue calculating the tax, make sure that this amount of money does not go beyond our taxable income. So if you add this and this and this, our total is 27,920. If we continue with 9120, our total will go 30-something thousand. Therefore, what we do, we subtract 28,610, subtract 27,920, we get a remainder, which is 600, and where is my paper? It's here, which is 690. So it means that in the next slab of 25, we are going to use this our taxable income on this slab. So we say that 690 times 25, here we are on 25, divided by 100, sorry. This one will give us 172.50 cents. So we have finished. If you add this, it should give us our taxable income. Now what we want to do is to add the total tax. This is the tax. So we add. If you add everything, we will have 4332.5. This is our gross tax now. This one is called gross tax. But we were asked you to calculate the net tax. And I told you that net tax is also called payee. So whenever you are asked to calculate payee, what you do, we should have gross tax subtract relief. Gross tax subtract relief. So our net tax will be equal to 433250 subtract our gross tax, which was 1,001, that is 1,000, minus subtract 1162.00, and this one will give us 3,170.50 cents. This is Kenya shillings, and this is what we call now pay, which is the net